land contracts and escrow, why it needs to be a happy marriage, and why you must make sure your servicer is collecting escrow payments as part of a land contract. Want to learn more? Check out this video. Welcome back, everybody. Chris 70 with 70 Mortgage Note Investments, where we provide you sage advice to empower you to take control of your future financial independence through mortgage note investing. So today we're going to talk about land contracts and escrow and why it's important to make sure that your servicer is collecting the escrow payments on a land contract. And I've recently seen two instances where this has come back to bite an investor. The first is the land contract typically doesn't have language written on how to handle payments outside of escrow. So if you as an investor have to advance taxes or insurance, what may end up happening is that may not be able to be collected before the principal and interest. So if the borrower is strictly just making those payments, a lot of times those additional payments you make may get extended or added on the back end of the loan, which essentially can really influence your returns. For example, if it's a $400 a month payment and $200 a month escrow, and you have to advance the $200 a month, after your servicing fees, you're not getting $375, the $400 minus your $25 servicing fee. You're really getting $400 minus $200 minus $25, which is $175 a month. That's a big deal when you're calculating your returns and can have a significant impact. The other component to that is on escrow, just making sure the borrower understands where those payments are coming from. I've seen investors in the past have to go to court to essentially litigate components where the borrower thought they were paying escrow and they weren't, and it ended up, causing some legal issues, I guess is the best way to put it, down the road, which would then need to get resolved. So it's always best, especially on performing loans, to make sure that you have the escrow covered as part of any agreement and that the servicer is collecting it. Hope you enjoyed this information. As always, check out more information at 7einvestments.com. And if you're interested in learning more about notes, make sure to join our membership group, which has information on the website as well, called the 7E Note Syndicate. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy the rest of your day.